Today, does anyone know what we're learning about? What?
Plus problems or addition.
Yeah. So we're learning about addition and what's the minus one that's like this? Jackson?
Subtraction.
Yeah, subtraction. Yes.
What is subtraction?
I think you know what it is, do you? It's like whenever you take away something, you can take one or more away of something. So like, if I had 3 grapes and Jackson ate 2, how many would be left?
1.
Yeah, 1. So that's what subtraction is. And you know what addition is?
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
It's when you have some and then you have more. You add more.
Yeah,
to numbers
yeah.
When you put numbers together.
Good job. Okay, so we're going to learn how, well, I just want to make sure because I know you guys know how to count to 30, but I'm going to go over it just to, freshen up your brains. Okay, so we're going to count together, and each time we count, we're going to clap, okay?
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good job. Okay, so now that we know how to, count to 30, which I knew you guys knew, but I wanted to make sure. You guys know simple problems. So what I mean by simple is if I write this, what does that say? 2. What does this say? What is it? 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, Ella, it's your turn. Now how about something like, what's this one?
2 plus 1
Equals 2 plus 1. 3. Now what did you just do right there? Did you use your fingers?
Yeah.
Now I know you guys also know something like this. Jackson, do you know the answer to this? 4. Good job.
Good job, Daddy.
Okay. So now that we reviewed just a bit, I want to expand your knowledge on it. And that was just subtraction, later we'll get to, or that was just addition, later we'll get to subtraction. So right here I have some of these cards that have addition problems on them. And I'm going to hold one up, and if you know the answer, yes, I'm going to give you guys some simple ones first. Like this one. Here, how about this one? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Yes.
6.
Yes, good job. Now how about this one? Ella, do you know this one? Okay, so for something like this, it's not very easy to use fingers because you would be counting 9 on it plus 10, so it's going to be confusing. So you can count out loud, right? So how about you start from 10? So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 10 plus 9 is 19. Good job. Jackson, do you know this one? 5. Good job. Ella, how about this one? 9 plus 1. 'You having trouble or do you know? 10? Good job, Ella. Alright, so we're going to try some harder ones. How about one like this? Raise your hand if you know it. Yes?
I need help.
You need help? Okay. Hold on, Jackson. You can get the next one just because she needs help with it, okay? I'll give you a harder one next time. Okay. So look. Say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tallies. 12, and it says 12 plus what? 9. So plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So can you count all these tallies?
1, 2, 3,
Uh-huh.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Start right there. 13.
14,
Mhm.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
21. So what is 12 plus 9?
21.
21. Okay. I almost dropped it. Now, let's do something like this, Jackson. Do you know what this one is? 12 plus 7 plus 12.
19.
19.
I
Good
did-
job.
I did it. I switched the 12 into 17 and then just added 2 to make it easy.
I guess that's one way to do it. Ella, you don't touch that. Okay, so there's problems that are like this. Now, if you look at this, aren't you going to be like, what? Because it starts with 0. When it's 0, what happens? It's like you're adding what?
Nothing.
Yeah,
So
it's like you're adding
say
nothing. So what's 0 plus
Like-
7?
7.
Just 7. Okay, so if it was 0 plus 99, what would it be?
99.
Yeah, because it's just 99 plus nothing, remember? Now let's do a little speed round just so we get this in our head. 1 plus 2.
3.
4 plus 5.
9.
10 plus 0.
10.
3 plus 3.
6,
12 plus 3.
5.
15. Yeah, 15. 6 plus 6.
12,
12. 0 plus 0.
0.
Yeah, 0. Okay, so now we're going to go over subtraction. Who remembers? I know I just explained it, but did you remember what I was saying about subtraction? What is it?
It's when you have some and then you take some away.
Mm-hmm. So, like we were talking about zeros, if we take 8 minus 0, what would it be, Jackson?
Subtracting 8.
Yeah, it would be 8. That's because you're taking away
Nothing.
nothing.
It's like adding, but you're taking
Yeah,
away.
so zeros don't really matter whether you're adding it or subtracting it. So how about something like this, Ella? And if you're having trouble, I can make like a word problem to make you understand.
8.
No, since it's minus. So say Jackson has 4 Shopkins and Ella eats 4 of them.
You can eat something.
Okay, how about Ella's playing with all 4 of them? How many does Jackson have? Say there's 4 Shopkins that are Jackson's and you're playing with all 4. Now Jackson wants to play with them, but how many does he have left?
0.
0. Now if we do something like this, Jackson has 5 video games. Ella takes 1 because she's mad at him. How many does Jackson have left, Jack? God bless you.
Thank you.
4.
4. Okay, now to get harder, we're going to do something like 26 minus 9.
I don't know.
Sometimes you can add 9 to get your answer. You can add because they're in I forget how to say it. but it's with the S. I can't say it.
Inverse?
Yeah, inverse operations. So you could add and subtract for both because you can, if it was addition, you can subtract 9.
Okay, well, yeah, you can do that, but let's say, like, you have to do it this way. So, 26, so you would take away, say, okay, so how to do this? You have 26, so let's count down, okay? 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18,
17,
18.
it would be 17. Because we counted down 9, okay?
17.
Alright, so now we are going to be taking some of the subtraction cards. And we're going to start with an easy one. Raise your hand if you know what 12 minus 11 is.
1.
1. Good job. Ella, do you know what 8 minus 0 is? Remember we said about zeros? 8. Jackson, 8 minus 1.
7.
7. And one more, and then we're going to be doing a worksheet. 12 minus 12, Ella.
0.
0. Is that what you're going to say?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, so now I have worksheets for you guys. And as always, if you guys have any questions, just ask me. Okay? And I'll check over it after you're done. Did you break your pencil? Oh, if you need to count out loud, you can.
So, 6,
Yes.
Are these 5?
Yes. Yes.
I need help on that.
Okay, so 6 plus 9. Okay, so 6. Start at 6, and then look. 7, 8. Say it out loud.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Is this 9? So it'd be 15.
What's
12, 13,
14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
18. So 6 plus 12 is 18.
Would this be 24?
Yes. Good job, Ella. You're doing so well.
Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
All right, looks like Ella's all done.
I have 2
And
more.
you have 2 more? Okay. Yes.
Can I get a tissue?
Yeah, go ahead.
Whoever made this messed up, they forgot to put an equal sign.
Okay, you can just put it yourself. That's okay. All right, let me see. Okay. Looks like you both did fabulous and you guys got them all right. So tonight I will be giving you guys a worksheet to take home to go over with your parents. And if you guys need any help, as always, you guys can ask your parents. And if you get anything wrong, if I check it, I'm not going to actually grade it. It's just practice. So I'll just go over it in class. If you have any questions, just talk to me, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Bye.